In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a Confluence page to streamline your team's documentation process and enhance your organizational workflow. Let's dive right in. To begin, let's navigate to your Confluence homepage. This will be your starting point. If you're already on your dashboard, you're in the perfect position to follow along. If not, just log into your Confluence account and you'll arrive at the homepage. Here, you're greeted with an overview of your spaces, recent work, and other essential tools. Now, from this homepage, our first task is to create a new page. This is where you can organize and manage your team's projects, discussions, and notes. On the upper part of your screen, you should see a large Create button, often symbolized by a plus sign. Go ahead and give that a click. Doing so initiates the process of creating a new page within the space you are in. It's much like starting with a blank slate or a fresh canvas that's ready for your input. Once you've clicked the Create button, a variety of options will be available for you to explore. You're specifically interested in selecting the Page option. This choice allows you to generate a standard page that you can populate with various types of content. You'll find a flexible editor at your disposal, which supports rich text formatting, images, tables, and much more. After selecting Page, you'll find yourself in the powerful Confluence editor. Here, you have the creative freedom to design your page as you see fit. You can craft a detailed document, build a project outline, or form a content plan, whatever suits your needs. Confluence pages are incredibly versatile and customizable, enabling you to edit them extensively. You can change the layout, insert media, or even add macros to enhance functionality. This is a space where your creativity meets functionality. Once you're satisfied with the content and structure of your new page, remember to save your work. Click on the Publish button, located at the top right corner of the screen. This action makes your page accessible to those with permission to view or edit within your Confluence space. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully added a new page to Confluence. This is how you keep your team's work organized, transparent, and easily accessible. Remember, the power of Confluence lies in its ability to foster collaboration. Dive in, explore additional customization options, and make these pages work best for you and your team. Thank you for watching this guide on adding a Confluence page. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful tutorials. Happy organizing!